Imagine a device without which modern civilization would simply not function. It is found not only in power plants and electrical substations, but also inside phone chargers, televisions, computers, factories, hospitals, and thousands of other electrical devices. This remarkable invention is called a transformer, and its primary job is to change electrical voltage. Although it may appear complicated, its operation is based on one of the most elegant discoveries in physics, electromagnetic induction. To understand how a transformer works, we first need to understand alternating current, or AC electricity. Unlike direct current, which flows continuously in one direction, alternating current constantly changes direction. In most of Europe, the electrical current reverses direction 50 times every second, while in countries such as the United States and Canada, it changes direction 60 times per second. A transformer takes advantage of a fundamental law of electromagnetism. Whenever electric current flows through a wire, it creates a magnetic field around that wire. If this magnetic field changes over time, it can generate an electric voltage in another nearby wire. This phenomenon, known as electromagnetic induction, was discovered in 1831 by Michael Faraday and became one of the foundations of modern electrical engineering. A basic transformer consists of two coils of insulated copper wire. The first coil is called the primary winding and is connected to the incoming power source. The second coil is called the secondary winding and provides the output voltage that powers electrical equipment. If you like similar educational content, please like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends. Both windings are wrapped around a shared magnetic core, usually made from laminated sheets of electrical steel. When alternating current flows through the primary winding, it creates a constantly changing magnetic field inside the core. This changing magnetic field passes through the secondary winding and induces a new electrical voltage without any direct electrical connection between the two coils. This is where the real magic of the transformer begins. Simply by changing the number of turns in each winding, the transformer can either increase or decrease the voltage while efficiently transferring electrical energy from one circuit to another. The most important function of a transformer is its ability to change voltage. It accomplishes this through the ratio of turns between the primary and secondary windings. Every loop of wire passing through the changing magnetic field has a voltage induced within it. The greater the number of turns in a winding, the higher the voltage that can be generated. If the secondary winding contains more turns than the primary winding, the output voltage becomes higher. This type of transformer is known as a step-up transformer. On the other hand, if the secondary winding has fewer turns than the primary winding, the output voltage becomes lower. This is called a step-down transformer. This simple principle makes the entire electrical power grid possible. Power plants typically generate electricity at relatively moderate voltages. Before that electricity can travel hundreds of kilometers through transmission lines, massive step-up transformers increase the voltage to hundreds of thousands of volts. Increasing the voltage dramatically reduces the current flowing through the transmission lines, which significantly lowers energy losses caused by electrical resistance. Once the electricity reaches its destination, the process is reversed. Large substations use powerful transformers to gradually reduce the voltage. Additional distribution transformers located throughout cities and neighborhoods lower it even further until it reaches the familiar voltage used in homes and businesses, typically 230 volts in much of Europe, or around 120 volts in North America. In this way, transformers act like invisible staircases for electrical energy. Without them, modern electrical distribution would be incredibly inefficient. If electricity had to travel long distances at low voltage, enormous amounts of energy would be lost as heat, making today's power grid practically impossible to operate. Another remarkable characteristic of transformers is their efficiency. An ideal transformer transfers nearly all of the incoming electrical energy to the output. Even real-world power transformers commonly achieve efficiencies exceeding 99%. Only a very small amount of energy is lost through resistance in the copper windings, magnetic losses in the core, and minor heating effects, making transformers among the most efficient electrical machines ever invented. Although the basic operating principle of a transformer appears simple, many complex physical processes take place inside it. One of the most important is the continuous change in magnetic flux within the core. It is this constantly changing magnetic field that transfers energy from the primary winding to the secondary winding. One crucial fact is that a transformer works only with alternating current. If ordinary direct current were connected to the primary winding, the magnetic field would become constant after a brief moment. Since electromagnetic induction requires a changing magnetic field, no voltage would be induced in the secondary winding. In other words, a conventional transformer simply cannot operate with steady direct current. The magnetic core is equally important. Most transformers use laminated cores made from thin sheets of electrical steel, rather than one solid block of metal. There is a very good reason for this design. A solid core would allow large eddy currents to circulate inside the metal, producing unwanted heat and wasting energy. Laminating the core greatly reduces these losses and significantly improves efficiency. Heat management is another major challenge. Whenever electric current flows through the copper windings, a small amount of electrical energy is converted into heat due to resistance. Small transformers are usually cooled by natural airflow or fans, while the enormous transformers used in electrical substations are commonly immersed in special insulating mineral oil. This oil serves two important purposes. It removes heat from the windings and provides excellent electrical insulation. The largest power transformers on Earth are truly massive engineering achievements. Some weigh several hundred tons and are capable of transferring enough electrical power to supply entire cities. Because of their enormous size and weight, transporting these transformers often requires specially designed multi-axle transport vehicles or heavy-duty railway equipment. Despite their size and power stations, transformers are also found inside countless everyday devices. Phone chargers, laptop power supplies, televisions, routers, game consoles, medical equipment, industrial machinery, and many electronic devices all rely on transformers, or their high-frequency electronic equivalents, to safely convert electrical energy into the voltages required for operation. Transformers come in many different types, sizes, and designs depending on their purpose. The smallest transformers can fit on the tip of a finger and are used in electronic circuits, while the largest power transformers stand several meters tall and operate at voltages of hundreds of thousands of volts. One of the most common types is the distribution transformer. These transformers are installed in local electrical substations and on utility poles near homes, businesses, and industrial facilities. Their job is to reduce high transmission voltages to the lower voltages that can be safely used by consumers. Another extremely important type is the isolation transformer. Unlike a step-up or step-down transformer, an isolation transformer may have exactly the same input and output voltage. Its primary purpose is not changing voltage, but providing complete electrical isolation between two circuits. This improves safety, reduces electrical noise, and protects both equipment and users from certain types of electrical faults. Modern electronic devices often use switch-mode power supplies, which operate at frequencies far higher than the standard electrical grid. Because transformers become much smaller as operating frequency increases, today's phone chargers and laptop adapters are far lighter and more compact than the large, heavy power adapters used several decades ago. Transformers also play a critical role in renewable energy systems. Solar power plants, wind farms, battery energy storage systems, and hydroelectric facilities all rely on transformers to match generated voltages with the electrical grid. Without transformers, integrating renewable energy into modern power networks would be extremely difficult. As electricity demand continues to grow, transformers are becoming even more important. Electric vehicle charging stations, massive data centers, high-speed rail systems, smart cities, and modern industrial facilities all depend on reliable transformer technology to distribute electrical power safely and efficiently. Although most people never notice them, transformers quietly keep nearly every aspect of modern life running. When viewed as a whole, the transformer is one of the most important inventions in the history of electrical engineering. Although most people rarely notice these devices, transformers quietly make modern civilization possible by efficiently moving electrical energy from power plants to billions of homes, businesses, factories, and electronic devices around the world. Their importance cannot be overstated. Without transformers, transmitting electricity over long distances would be extremely inefficient and enormously expensive. Power plants would need to be located much closer to every city and industrial facility, while electrical losses throughout the grid would be dramatically higher than they are today. The transformer is a perfect example of how a simple scientific principle can transform the world. By using electromagnetic induction, a discovery made in the 19th century, it has become one of the most essential building blocks of modern infrastructure. In fact, nearly every kilowatt-hour of electricity you use has likely passed through several transformers before reaching your home. The future of transformer technology is closely connected to the evolution of smart grids, renewable energy, electric vehicles, and increasingly powerful data centers. Engineers are developing new magnetic core materials, advanced insulation systems, environmentally friendly cooling technologies, and more efficient designs capable of reducing energy losses even further. Researchers are also exploring solid-state transformers, which combine traditional transformer technology with advanced power electronics. These next-generation devices could provide faster voltage regulation, improved grid stability, greater efficiency, and better integration of renewable energy sources into tomorrow's intelligent electrical networks. At the heart of every transformer, however, the fundamental principle remains unchanged. Alternating current creates a changing magnetic field. That changing magnetic field transfers energy from one winding to another and allows voltage to be increased or decreased with remarkable efficiency. Thanks to this elegant combination of physics and engineering, the transformer has become one of humanity's greatest inventions and one of the hidden technologies that powers our modern world every single day.